Why minimalist packing matters.
Minimalist packing is about taking only what you truly need, making travel lighter and more enjoyable. Packing less means less stress, easier mobility, and fewer worries over lost items. It also saves time at airports and reduces heavy baggage fees. Embracing minimalism when you travel enhances your freedom, letting you focus on the experience instead of your belongings.
Start with a smart packing list.
Before putting anything in your bag, create a checklist of must-have items. Focus on necessities like travel documents, medications, and weather-appropriate clothing. Limit yourself to multi-use essentials, leaving behind extras you rarely use. A written list keeps you organized, helps avoid last-minute packing, and ensures you don't forget anything truly important for your journey.
Choose versatile clothing.
Pack clothes that mix and match, so you get multiple outfits from fewer items. Neutral colors and lightweight fabrics are ideal for layering in changing weather. Each piece should serve more than one purpose. Think a jacket that works for both casual walks and evenings out. This way, you stay comfortable and stylish without overpacking.
Limit shoes and accessories.
Shoes take up precious space, so stick to 1 or 2 pairs that fit all your planned activities. Wear your bulkiest shoes while traveling and pack smaller ones. Choose accessories that work with several outfits, like a scarf or simple jewelry. By limiting footwear and accessories, you free up room and keep your bag manageable.
Optimize toiletries and personal items.
Use travel-sized containers for toiletries and only pack what you'll use. Many items like shampoo or toothpaste are available at your destination if you run out. Consider solid alternatives like bar soap or shampoo bars to reduce spills. Store items in clear, resealable pouches for easy airport security checks and quick access throughout your trip.
Roll. Don't fold your clothes.
Rolling clothes instead of folding saves space and cuts down on wrinkles. Rolled clothes can be tucked into every corner of your bag, making packing more efficient. This technique helps you see everything in your bag at a glance and makes unpacking simpler once you arrive at your destination.
Use packing cubes or compression bags.
Packing cubes and compression bags help organize and shrink your clothes, maximizing space and keeping items tidy. Separate your clothes by type or outfit to make unpacking quick and easy. Compression bags can be especially helpful for bulky items like jackets, letting you fit more into a smaller bag without extra weight.
Embrace digital solutions.
Go paperless whenever you can. Store travel documents, tickets, and reading materials on your phone or e-reader. Using digital maps, itineraries, and translation apps frees up space and lightens your load. Just don't forget a charger and necessary adapters. This way, you travel lighter and still have access to everything you need.
Pack for the real, not the just in case.
Avoid overpacking by focusing only on what you know you'll use. It's tempting to bring items just in case, but these extras often go untouched. If you really need something unexpected, you can usually buy it at your destination. Prioritizing your actual needs keeps your bag light and your trip stress-free.
Choose the right travel bag.
Select a lightweight, carry-on-sized bag to keep your packing under control. Avoid larger suitcases, or you'll be tempted to fill the extra space. Look for bags with good compartments and durable construction. A well-chosen bag makes organization easier and ensures you can carry everything comfortably wherever your travels take you.
Final thoughts. Enjoy the freedom of traveling lighter.
Adopting minimalist packing habits lets you move freely, worry less, and focus on making memories. By carefully selecting what you bring, you simplify every aspect of your journey. Enjoy the convenience, flexibility, and peace of mind that come with traveling with only what you need. Lighten your load and discover a better way to travel.